Dirty diaper challenge.
You going first?
Dirty diaper challenge. Colton's going first.
No, Logan is. Logan's
going first.
He's going to.
Alright, Logan. Wait.
Let me go get some real quick.
No, Dad, no.
Yeah, we're gonna pull their hair back a little bit more to make sure they don't get it on their hair.
Like
See?
What is this?
And it's like a pea.
I'll tell you when you're done.
I know what they are. They're lemon shavings.
I want to tell them what it is.
No.
Lemon shavings.
When we're done.
We're done.
That looks like lemon shavings on the side.
What the heck?
You can still tell what the yellow.
Dude, stop squishing around in the
It's a turd.
No,
No, it's not.
it's a nut.
I'm gonna get right there first. I think it's a turd.
Now, if you taste something in there, don't shout out what you think it is.
I can't say it's a turd.
It's a turd.
But if you think it tastes
What's
like
the
a
turd
particular
taste like?
type, don't yell out what you think it
If you
might
think
be.
it tastes like a peanut, a
Yeah.
walnut,
Yeah, don't
whatever,
say- there's no nuts.
an avocado,
Yeah, don't say.
an Austin's fingernail.
There's no nuts.
What are we waiting for?
Dean's looking for another bandana to pull some hair back.
Oh.
Oh, you just one of them.
Okay,
No. No.
Logan's first.
No.
Okay, we're gonna put your hair back.
Dean, no.
They're a clean pair.
He's got underwear! He's got underwear on his head! Underwear! Underwear!
Okay, wait, where's my phone for the time?
What happened?
Look at me, Logan.
Wait, I gotta find my phone for the time.
What? Who squeezed it? Someone squeezed it.
That was the gum.
Guys, I gotta get my phone.
No, Riley.
He's got underwear on his head. Close up, Logan. Wait, what's the brand?
Have you ever took a poop in this thing?
What's the brand?
Yeah, he has.
We were about
Make
to get
sure
some.
you have these under here.
Colt,